I'm Nate. Today I will show you how to set up a new vending machine. This machine we will take for example. Step number 1. Connect to the city power. This is what you will see. This is because the machine is not connected to the internet. There are 3 ways we can connect the machine to the internet. First is Wi-Fi, second one is 4G SIM card, the third one is landline. Let me show you how to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Click the left top of the screen. It will enter into Android setting. Click Wi-Fi. Turn it on. Select the Wi-Fi source. Connect it. After Wi-Fi connection, go back to home page. Click the vending application. We'll enter into the app. If you want to use 4G SIM card, open the door. Find the PCB board. Here is where the 4G SIM card slot located. Pull out this cable. Insert the 4G SIM card and then put the cable back and restart the machine. Enjoy restart. If you want to use internet landline connection, just insert the cable connector here and restart the machine. Number 2. We will upload the product information to the screen. First thing we need to do is change the language to English. Click here and here. Select English, and it is in English. Then we need to create a database from the product. Click Goods. Click Add. Insert product code. Upload pictures. Select product picture and insert product name. Selling price. Insert weight. You can put some random number also. Click submit. Then a new product is created. You're adding product. You need to add all your product into this database. After filling the product database, now we need to put the product to the machine. Go back to home page. Click Device. Here we can see under this account we have 2 machines, and this is the machine number. On every vending machine, on the top of the screen there is a machine number. We click from cell phone the same machine number and click Product Setup. For example, we need to put the Red Bull to the slot 1. We click Red Bull and submit. You need to select the product from each slot, each layer. Next step, fill the machine. Put the product into the slot. The product information must be matching with what you had insert from our backend server. For example, if slot 1 you put Red Bull in the server, you must put Red Bull in the slot 1. And you can also fill the product first and then select the product from our backend server. Based on the product quantity you had filled into the machine, we need to click the Stock Replenish and insert the stock quantity. Or you can click Fill up the whole floor if you had filled all the number. After replenish, the product picture will show up on the screen. Now the machine is ready for operation.